on the topic of linear inequalities, let's take a look at checkpoint 2.2 part A. Now, given the inequality 7x plus 2 is bigger than and equals to 55, okay, what's the first step that you should actually do? Let's see, you should actually put them together. So combine the like terms, 7x more than or equals to 55 minus 2. So you have 7x more than or equals to 53. Divide them, so you bring over. Okay, you bring over this 7. Alright, so what you have here, you would have x bigger than 7 4 over 7. Okay, this is actually a decimal of maybe 7.571428. Alright, so what's the smallest integer here? You know that the smallest integer here would be 8. Why? Because you want them in integer, it's not possible to be in decimals, so therefore the biggest and the closest number would be 8. And then the smallest prime number. Now, what is a prime number? Prime number is numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself again. Okay, so we are looking at prime numbers. The closest you have is 11. Okay, now why do I say 11? Because you have 8. 8 is not. 8 can be divided by 4, 2. 9 is not. Can be divided by 3 and 1. And then 10 is definitely not, because it can be divided by 2, 5, etc. So the closest is 11. Then you have the smallest cube number, which is x equals to 8. Now, what's a cube number? So you can press your calculator. Cube numbers are basically numbers that can be cube rooted. Okay, which means 2 to the power of 3, which will give you an 8. So what's the closest and the smallest? Definitely will be 8 in this case. Okay? Now then let's take a look at 2.2 part B. Okay, you're actually solving inequalities using a number line here. So you need to write, or rather present your answers on a number line. So you see down here I have negative x bigger than 4. Okay, bigger than 4. Now to bring over your negative, it's like a division of negative. So you will change sign. Okay, so notice this here. Negative 4. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this a little bit for you to see that whenever you divide or you multiply by a negative number, you definitely have to, okay, change sign. Okay, so in this case, okay, let's stick to the current situation. You have 0 over here, negative 4 over here, correct? So numbers that are smaller than 4, negative 4, so you have your arrows here. Okay, now you note that, okay, I didn't shade my point over here also because this is not, there is no equal sign. So no equal, okay, or rather for example like that. So therefore, alright, no shaded circle. Okay, all's good. Then let's take a look at the next question. Okay, let's move on. The next question, you have 7x smaller than 14. You will have, you bring over, okay, you want to divide by this negative 4, correct now? Okay, so I want to divide by this negative 4. Negative 7, sorry, negative 7. So therefore, what will I have as my answer right here? Okay, I will divide by negative 7, I should have a negative 2. Now remember, when I divide by negative, I have to change my sign, right? So I have negative 2 here. So again, express your answer on a number line, you have negative 2. Now this is x bigger than. So again, no shaded, I will draw my line like that. Okay, last one. Alright, let's combine the like terms together. You can have 3x minus 5x. Okay, 7 plus 1. You have negative 2x more than 8. Bring over the negative 2, you have x. Okay, divided 8 divided by negative 2, you should have a negative 4. Okay, so again, when you want to change over a negative sign, what do? You will change sign, right? Okay, so you will change sign such that it becomes negative 4 here. So again, draw your number line. You have a 0, you have a negative 4. Okay, it is smaller than, again, this way. Okay, so all's good.